Hi, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Youth Administration and Government Workers Organization Week conducted in Shamboko Subzone. Seminars focusing on enhancing understanding of significance of tourism in Asab Subzone. Europe ready to respond after Trump threatens 25% auto tariffs. And Latvia Stage 2 military drills. Proceeding with our reports. Youth Administration and Government Workers Organization Week has been conducted in Shamboko Subzone. The week-long program featured cultural and artistic as well as innovation and creativity competitions. Mr. Hagos Kasete, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the subzone, said that the program was part of the effort to preserve and transfer the values and history of Eritrean people to the younger generation and called for its reinforced continuity. Noting that the program was aimed at nurturing competent youth who adhere the noble societal values as well as strengthening organizational capacity of youth, Mr. Tarek Abai, head of the Administration and Finance in the subzone, called for strengthened participation and contribution from all government institutions. At the event, awards were presented to winners of various competitions. A seminar focusing on enhancing students' understanding of significance of tourism in their national development has been conducted for students of Walda Mariam High School in the port city of Asab. The seminar mainly focused on significance of preserving tourism resources in the southern Red Sea region, as well as its natural and historic heritage. Indicating that topography of southern Red Sea region consists of 49% plains, 44% mountain and hills, and 7% earthquake-prone areas in the region, also possess over 60 islands. Mr. Abdullah Hizom, representative of Tourism Department in the region, said that the region has significant potential for development of tourism sector. Mr. Abdullah further noted that ancient and historical sites of Rahaita, Suduhila, Birasole, and Askoma in the southern Denkalia, and seabirds, fish, sea tortoise in Eddi semi-urban center in the central Denkalia, and ancient mosque in Araita, Di'o, and Medir are among the tourist attraction sites in the region. The Ministry of Education branch in Gashbarkar region has provided training on material management and documentation to the administrative and financial personnel as well as school directors in the Sene subzone. Mr. Stefanos Haptetzion, head of the administration and finance in the subzone, indicated that the objective of the training, which included administration and finance management, procurement procedures, as well as material and document reporting, was to address shortcomings that various government institutions have been facing. Mr. Adam Bashir, head of the education office in the subzone, called on trainees to apply the knowledge they gained from the training in their workplaces in order to provide efficient and timely service to the public. Mr. Siyum Gabriesus, administrator of the subzone, noting that significance of the training in facilitating the daily activities of institutions and called for the sustainability of the program. Nurse Aram Mulgeta, head of the Hadish Addi Health Station Elaborate Subzone, reported that as a result of the growing public awareness, deliveries and vaccinations at the health station are increasing from time to time. Nurse Aaron said that the deliveries at the health station have increased to 41%, while children's vaccination coverage has reached 100%. Nurse Aaron went on to say that malaria prevalence has declined by 20%, community-based environmental sanitation has reached 67%, and latrine usage has reached 54%. He also said that the regular awareness-raising activities are being conducted to enhance public understanding of the cause of preventive measures of non-communicable diseases. Hadish Addi Health Station provides health care service to 16 villages in Elaborate Subzone and 4 villages in Addi Takalizan Subzone. Hadish Addi Administrative Area is one of the 14 administrative areas in elaborate subzone, and it is located 11 kilometers southeast of Eden semi-urban center. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back. Europe signaled readiness to respond after US President Donald Trump threatened to raise tariffs to 25% on cars and trucks imported from the European Union, accusing the bloc of failing to comply with the trade deal. Trump said on May 1st, that the EU had not honored the bilateral trade agreement reached last year and warned of higher duties on vehicles shipped to the United States. In response, Europe Group President on Monday said that Europe is prepared to act if US moved ahead. He stressed that the dialogue remains the first choice and that Europe values transatlantic relations, but added all options would be considered if commitments are breached. On the same vein, German Vice Chancellor and Finance Minister urged Trump to honor the tariff agreement reached with the EU last summer. He warned that if Trump raises tariffs on EU, cars and blocs will take countermeasures. On our last report, two military exercises, Crystal Arrow 2026 and Spring Warrior, are being held in Latvia starting from Wednesday 5th to May 15th, said the Latvian Defense Ministry. Crystal Arrow 2026, led by a Land Forces Mechanized Infantry Brigade, focuses on improving brigade-level planning and execution of operations. Soldiers are training to full-scale defensive operations in conventional warfare under the realistic field conditions, said the ministry. Spring Warrior, organized by the NATO multinational brigade in Latvia, aimed to strengthen unit cohesion in the national defense operation. The exercise will help to improve force deployment, logistics, and command and control while operating across different regions of Latvia. The Crystal Arrow 2026 exercise involves approximately 2,500 soldiers and 500 pieces of equipment, while Spring Warrior takes in more than 2,200 soldiers and around 300 pieces of equipment. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Youth Administration and Government Workers Organization Week conducted in Shambuko subzone. Seminars on focusing on enhancing understanding of significance of tourism in ASAP subzone. Europe ready to respond after Trump threatens 25% auto tariffs. And Latvia Stage 2 military drill. That was the news from ERi-TV studios. This has been Let's Hire reporting. Thanks for watching and have a good night.